How to switch accounts on Discord Mobile. If you're trying to switch to multiple accounts on Discord Mobile, this is how you do it. First thing first, head over to your Discord application. Then make sure that you're logged into one of your accounts. Now, if you want to change it to your other account, tap on the U icon at the bottom right. Then you'll be taken to your profile page, and at the top right, you'll find the gear icon to head over to settings. Now, once you are inside your settings menu, just scroll all the way to the bottom until you find the logout option. Discord does not yet have the switch account option. You are going to have to log out of your current account to log into another one. So simply tap on logout. Now, if you want to register for a completely new account, you could do that, or you could just log into your existing other account. Enter your email or phone number and then your password right here, and you should be able to log into other account. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. Make sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.